today we're going to review the dust collection robot vacuum and mop, the Redkey R10, priced at only $299. In the highly competitive smart vacuum cleaner market, can R10 stand out with its high-performance radio? Let's find out together. Okay, let's see what you get for $299. Okay, the first thing we can see is R10 itself. A black and circular body, elegant and simple. What else in this package? This is the dust collection base. It's moderately sized, not taking up too much space. It's very friendly to small apartments. And then, 2 side brushes, manual, cleaning tool, mopping clothes, and the charging pad. Okay, that's all in this package. Looking closely at R10, its appearance is similar to other robot vacuums. The top has a LDS laser radar, and the bottom has a side brush and a roller brush. The rear of the device features a 2-in-1 dust and water tank. It uses a smart electric control water tank design, which can adjust the water output based on different flow materials. The capacity of the water tank is 350 mm, and this is the water inlet. In the middle, there is a dust bin. And this is the HEPA filter. Since the R10 comes with a dust collection station, we don't have to manually empty the dust bin often. Overall, the design of R10 is simple and practical, unassuming but of good quality. For product price at $299, it's quite comprehensive. However, the appearance is not the whole story for a robot vacuum. The key is in its actual performance. So let's set it up and say its true capabilities. Okay, let's wake this guy up. First, we need to find a suitable place to set up the automatic dust collection base. And then, plug it in. Hold the power button, and the R10 immediately lights up.
Device started.
Then download the Smart Life app and connect it. Click the Quick Mapping. Okay, while waiting for the map to be completed, let's talk about something about the app features. The interface of the app is quite intuitive. With the remote controls for cleaning modes, suction power, and water tank output, there are also scheduled cleanings, no-go zones, and virtual wash settings. Notably, it has a multi-room zoning cleaning feature, allowing you to set cleaning sequences and frequencies for different areas. For example, you can set the living room to be cleaned daily and the bedroom every other day. The app's operation is similar to other robot vacuums we've discussed before. Okay, the map is ready. Let's see how it performs in its first run. After all, a good robot vacuum needs to know how to run and clean. First is the navigation system. The R10 uses LDS laser radar navigation, which is currently mainstream. It not only accurately recognizes room layouts, but also supports automatic zoning for selective cleaning. In our tests, the R10's path planning was quite smart, rarely causing repeated cleaning or missing spots. Compared to early visual or random collision navigation, this is a significant improvement. However, it might be slightly less adaptable in complex environments compared to some high-end models with AI visual assistance. The R10's cleaning performance is a highlight. With 4,000 pass suction power, it's impressive at this price point, easily handling dust, hair, and small debris on the floor. I scattered cat litter, dog food, flour, and hair on the floor to stimulate common household messes. And the R10 cleaned everything up almost in one go. The R10 also has a carpet boost feature, automatically increasing suction when it detects carpets, which is particularly useful for carpeted areas. In my test with various obstacles, the R10 performed admirably. While it may not match some flagship models with suction power over 5,000 Pa, it's more than sufficient for daily home cleaning. The mopping function is often a weak point for many robot vacuums, but the R10 performs decently in this regard. It uses a smart electric control water tank, automatically adjusting water output based on the floor material. In practice, it effectively handles light stains and footprints. For stubborn stains, manual intervention may still be needed. Overall, while it may not completely replace traditional mops, it's more than enough for maintaining floor cleanliness on a daily basis. The automatic dust collection is another highlight of the R10. After each cleaning, it will automatically return to the base for collecting dust.
Charging.
The 21,000 Pa suction power will pull the debris from the dust bin into the dust bag. The 4-liter dust bag means it only needs to be replaced every 90 days, eliminating frequent emptying. Speaking of maintenance, the R10 is very user-friendly. The dust bag needs replacement every 90 days. The whole process is very simple. Just open the dust collection base, remove the old bag, and throw it away. Insert a new one. It takes less than 1 minute without dirtying your hands. The filter and the roller brush needs cleaning approximately every 2 weeks. Remove the filter. Gently tap the test and rinse it with water if necessary. Make sure it is completely dry before next use. For the side brush and roller brush, cut off the tangled hair and threads, and wipe it with damp cloth. It's better to clean the mop after each use and let it dry. The whole process is very simple and easy, not adding too much burden. In a summary, the R10 performs excellently among products in the same price range. It combines many high-end features such as the LDS navigation, the automatic dust collection, and the smart water tank, while being very affordable. The Redkey R10 is particularly suitable for those budget-conscious consumers who want to experience the high-end features, the pet owners, the busy professionals, and the large families. While it may not completely match the top flagship models, it's more than sufficient for the daily cleaning needs of most households. Overall, the R10 proves with its performance that it's a diligent assistant, maybe not perfect, but definitely competent and affordable. In the smart home market, it's undoubtedly a balanced and economical choice. That's my review of the Redkey R10. Hope my video can help you in selecting a robot vacuum. If you have any questions or experiences to share, don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!